Alright guys, how are you? So today I have decided to do some cleaning. I've seen the area here is extremely dirty, and I do not appreciate that, you know. I really want this nature to be beautiful and preserved, and I get extremely sad when I see trash. So this is one of the things that I want to do. I will start cleaning a little bit. So whenever I see trash, I would just grab a bag and start cleaning a little bit, and then another day, and then bit by bit try to diminish the amount of trash that I see here amongst this beautiful nature, man. I mean, this is the heart of South America. I am at the exact distance from the Atlantic Ocean that I am from the Pacific, and that's just a geographic curiosity about the city. So I get really sad when I see the trash, you know, and you can see like everywhere, and I really want to do something about it. So I wish you to do the same as well if you can, and make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. You will help me a lot. You see this? Trash, 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 trash. All right, so let's go. Trash. I gotta be really careful with snakes. You know that? Snakes are a really big problem. Right, let's see. I think this is plastic. Plastic in here. Right, and I think there's a little bit more over here. It's gonna be candy wrap. Look, this is so sad, bro. How can people do shit like this? For real. Alright, some more. I mean, this is a property. Look, somebody lives in here, and it's completely full of trash. God, this is disgusting. I believe that this trash is coming all from that house. Dude, these guys need to get get some tickets from the city hall and pay some money, because I mean, there's so much. This is so sad, bro. Come on. So I'll be cleaning this now, but next time it rains or the wind comes really strong, everything will get dirty again. Shit. You see how much work it takes for it to clean, to build, to actually do good stuff, and then somebody comes and just destroy everything. And you know why? Because evil can't do anything else but corrupt and destroy. That's the only thing they can do. But somebody that is building and creating, they can do the unimaginable stuff, and that's the difference. All right, let's continue here. I just hope a snake not to get me, because this is really dangerous, man. I mean, there are actually shitloads of dangerous spiders, and they live in this area, bro. Rattlesnakes. There's rattlesnakes here. You know that shit? Some of my friends saw a rattlesnake, and it was really scary. So, oh shit. All right, there you go. All right. Man, I mean, I think this is gonna be useless. Really. I mean, I think I'm being actually stupid by cleaning this now. I need to get in contact with authorities or the owner of this house. This is disgusting, bro. I'll show you some other place where it's full of trash. Look at this, disgusting. Oh, let's go. This is a Brazilian beer. Oh, I'm not even from here. I don't live here. I'm a tourist, man. And I have more conscience than the people that are supposed to be locals. People that inherited this land. And they don't give a fuck, man. They don't give a damn. That's the truth. Oh, man. See how much work it is to clean this shit? And could be snakes here. Could be definitely snakes. Oh, look at this. Could have a snake inside of this shit. Or a huge spider. Oh, look at that. Will I be able to reach that? Something here. All right. Whoa, really? For real? I don't even know what to do with this. I'm gonna leave it here and I'll get it back when I'm returning, because I'm gonna put it in the trash as well. I feel something in my hand stinging. I think I was bitten by something already. There's so many insects. Oh man, look at this. Oh shit, it's all coming from that house. These assholes are destroying nature. I heard they're from France, and that makes me sad because I have French blood. Oh, come on. Bit by bit, look how much trash will be taken away from this. Disgusting. There's a fucking sock in there, man. This. If you see a snake, let me know. Here we go. Oh. Damn. Come on. Oh, it stinks in there. Oh, it stinks like food. Oh, disgusting. Oh man, this is because I love nature and I want this to be preserved. You know what I'm saying? I could be bitten by a snake and die because of this. But I don't care. I want to see this beautiful because I pass through this route every day. And I refuse to see this the way it is because it makes me really sad. You know what I'm saying? Look how much trash I've collected already. Whew. There we go. Everything, bro, everything should go. All right. Paper. This is paper here. I mean, technically paper, if it's paper, should be biodegradable, but plastic, bro, come on. Fuck plastic. This fucking styrofoam, this is so bad for nature, man. Oh, shitheads. Why can't people put this in their pocket and just throw away whenever they're home? It looks better. More styrofoam. All right. shit. There's more here. Ah, yes. It makes me feel good. There's some movement on the porch right there. From the pigs that live in this house. Look at this. I just hope I don't get anything that is dirty with shit, you know what I'm saying? Ugh. Hey, what's up, boy? Hey, boy, what's up? Just chilling? Hell yeah. All right. What the hell is even this? I just hope there's not a snake in here, man. That's all I hope. Phew. You can see some shit in here. This must go. Oh man, that's... No, I'm not taking that one. No, I will. I am not leaving anything behind. I really didn't want it to get in here though. Could be so dangerous. Oh shit. Ah, I got it. Got it. All right. Well, there we go. And here we go. It looks better. Definitely looks better. Whoa. I'm not 100% like this, or this, or like this. Let's save the nature, guys. Save the nature. Oh man, nature's your friend. Stop killing it. Nature's your mama, dude. Nature's your mamacita. No se puede matar la mamacita, carajo. No se mata mamacita, carajo. All right. Whew. Looks much better. Yeah, it definitely looks better, right? Now, this is enough for the first part. I will be continue cleaning other places. So let's see how it goes. So I just placed the trash where the truck passed by to get it. Let's hope for nobody to open it again. There's nothing much I can do about that. But oh shit, there's a plastic cup in here. Damn. Ah, oh damn, there's more. Oh, it'll be endless. Look, it's endless, bro. Damn, it's full of trash in that house. It makes me sad. It makes my heart so sad. All right, guys, there's not much I can do. So it does look much better now, but to be honest, I mean, you still can see a little bit, and they will be coming all the way from the backyard of that house. So I already talked to my cousin that is hosting me here in the city at his house, amazing house that I will be showing you guys sometime. So I contacted him and I told him about it. Let's see what we can do about it, because this will be an endless problem, and nature does not have nothing to do with irresponsible people, you know. It does not deserve plastic or anyone's trash. This is a sacred place, all right? This is nature. So make sure to like and subscribe, and if you can, do the same, you know. Grab yourself some plastic bags, but not to dump them, but to use them to collect trash, and then you dispose them in the correct place, recycle bins or whatever, and make sure we are leaving something cool for our grandchildren. You know what I'm saying? So thanks again, like and subscribe, this is really important, and check my music channel. I'm trying to get attention and views enough to start playing my music everywhere in the world. So help and subscribe to my channel if you can. Check the links in the description, and see you guys later.